Hi there guys, in this video, I will show you how I hack and upgrade the thin wires of this rking multimeter. This wire has a resistance about 1 ohm. It's not a big deal in measuring resistance because we can just subtract this number to the reading. For example, this resistor reads 474 ohms. Subtract 1 ohm and it's actually 473 ohms. But when we are measuring current, we will connect our multimeter in series with the load, meaning we are adding some resistance to the original circuit. And our circuit now is not running normal. Our goal here is to lessen the resistance. So to solve this problem, we need this bigger stranded wire. Now, I decided to cut the red plug in this way, using my cutter. And also the black plug. In this way, we can solder our wires, and then I lighted up this candle and heated up this piece of metal in order to melt and make a big enough hole for the larger stranded wire. But this happens. I ruined this plug. But in the positive plug, I did it well. I just cut the mess I made in the black plug. Now, I inserted the respective wire. Now it looks like this. Next, I finally soldered both. We will just return this piece we cut from the probe before. But first, I scrape it in this part so it now fits back nicely. We will use this super glue to permanently join them back together. It dries very quickly, and we now have our plugs. For the probes, instead I use this alligator clip, so I can just clip it when I measure something. We should not forget first to insert these insulators. I used my pliers and applied some force to lock it in place. Now it's soldering time. Now I clip both in this in order to insert the rubber insulation. And there we have it. It's done. Now, obviously, a thicker wire means less resistance to current. If you are really serious in measuring a bigger current, you can build this awkward-looking short probe. This really works well in high currents. And if you use thin wires, this will happen. If you learned something new, please hit like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.